I washed my face, you know, to get ready for the day, and I did like some skin prep, but I haven't done gua sha in forever. I think that's how you call it, you know, when you use these. So, and I also have like a little microcurrent device, the bear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not a professional when it comes to this shit, but it gets it done, okay? So, yes. Let's go ahead and clip away my hair. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the video the other day, I had like, did some little highlights and shit, but honestly, I was like, you know what? I'm over it. Back to all dark. But anyways, let's get into this gua sha. Oh, you know what? I forgot the hyaluronic acid. Yeah, let me get it. So the one that I use is from Good Molecules. I love that fucking brand. This is not sponsored. Y'all clearly see I have no damn fucking followers. So, bitch, I don't make money off of this shit. I just really, really, really love shit that's not costing an arm and a fucking leg and that actually fucking works. So I'm gonna continue to use this shit. This right here, come on, focus, is fire. And it's cheap. Alright, so let me just look at my mirror right here because I can't see this damn monitor. Okay, so we're gonna put it all over the face and use this thing. I don't know, but I just be like holding right here and then I go like this, wiggle, and then wiggle, wiggle, and then I push it down. Well, before all that, like what I used to do, apparently I read that if you pump under your armpits a couple times, then you're supposed to like go like something like this and like by your collarbone. It's supposed to open up your lymph nodes. Well, like I said, I'm not a professional. I just be doing this to myself and it works. So anyways, let's keep on going. So down. Why am I trying to touch this side? See, I don't fucking know. If you wake up like puffy, because obviously like half of us be sleeping on our damn face, so then all the fluids like, you know, drain to your face, and that's why you kind of like sometimes notice that you're more puffy on one side than the other because you're sleeping on that side. So I try, like I said, try to sleep on my back, but girl, that shit is, I don't know, it's like not impossible, but I always end up on my face. So, which is not good. It's like really bad, but whatever. And like I said, I'm not a spring chicken anymore, so I really need to like be careful with all this bullshit, cuz I'm not trying to go and do all this shit to my damn face, you know what I'm saying? And then I end up with a bigger problem. Obviously, nothing to the girls that do stuff. By all means, your face, your body, your money, more power to you, girl. Go get it done. But I'm just not fucking with it. So, like I said, this is not a tutorial, okay? This is in no means do what I'm doing. I'm just, you know, for the sake of me doing it and like what I be doing, I'm just recording. But this shit I know is all types of wrong probably, but it works for me. So if y'all want to go and like look up an actual video, go look that shit up. Don't take, you know, like what I'm doing and fucking go run with it. And also don't do it so hard You don't want to like pop a vein or something. But anyways, so that's that. We're done with that little guy. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a little more. Because we're going to use the bear, the Foreo bear. And you need to have this stuff on your face so it could glide over it. Let me go ahead and start the app because there's an app that you could use. See, so now the little light is on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the microcurrent on. I put on the highest level because Jesus knows I need that. My face needs it, okay? So let's tuck my hair away. Let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing. Let's go over and I go down. Down. Now we're gonna do the other side. Let's do this a little more because I want this lifted because these jowls are hereditary, child. My mama got them. So I'm trying to take care of this shit. And then these damn smile lines. Or what is it called? Nasio folds, whatever the hell. Nasoflabial folds, whatever the fuck. I don't like them. Go away. Okay, let's do the forehead. I'm gonna hold it. Should have probably done like a before and after, but whatever. I'm gonna try to start doing this like every like morning and night. It's damn well into the day. It's 1:58 p.m. but no one needs to know that. So we're gonna stop it. I'm done. You know, always clean off your facial tools. You don't want no bacteria or, you know, buildup of anything. So just clean that shit. All right, we're done with that. The pimple patches that I love, 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 love. Again, same company. They're just so freaking good. Like I had 2 pimples. Well, this one is already flat, and then I had one right here. I have a scar now, but that's gone. Literally, I put these things on and they come out, like all the stuff comes out and they flatten out, and it's super good. But I need to start using their discoloration serum because that shit really freaking helps. Okay, let's put this on. I don't gotta worry about it. Love. Okay. Well, we're done with that. I'm pretty sure I'll end up filming some other stuff. So until then, peace out, bitches.